So on number 1, this is a mid-segment problem. So I'm going to take this mid-segment. It says D and E are midpoints. So this is a midpoint because it's E. It's a midpoint between A and B. D is a midpoint between A and C. Anytime you have a mid-segment, the mid-segment is half of the longer side that it's not touching, and it's parallel to that last side. So if I want to set up an equation, so this should help on the last two problems. If I want to set up an equation for solving for x, or actually finding CB, the longer side, the way I can do it is multiply the small segment by 2. So that would be 2 times 3x would be 6x, and 2 times 6 would be 12. Once I multiply this by 2, it's going to equal this length, which is 4x plus 16. And then I can solve for x. Once I get x, I can plug it into 4x plus 16 because that will give me CB. Do we understand that? So you multiply this one by 2. That's really what I'm doing. Times by 2, I distribute, and then I get this, and then I set it equal. Since D and E are midpoints, that means those side lengths are congruent. So the second part to find AE is by setting these two just equal. You don't have to multiply by anything. 5y minus 9. Once you solve for y, you plug it back into 2y because it's asking for AE. Are there any questions on that one? No?